Namaste all. This is Tejasvi from Cosmic Bread Spiritual Foundation. Today we are going to discuss about Holika Dahan festival. Today 28th March 2021 is Holi festival. One of the biggest festival in Hinduism, Hindu culture. Now let's know about Holi. Holika is the name of demon. A very few of us know that Holika was the sister of Hiranyakashipu. Holika was a demoness who was burned to death with the help of Lord Vishnu. She was the aunt of Bhakt Prahlad. So Holi celebrates the death of Holika in order to save Prahlad. The tradition of Holika Dahan is actually a lightning bonfires. This ritual is symbolic of victory of a good over evil. Holika Dahan should be done during Pradosh Kal, which starts after sunset, while Purnima Tithi is prevailing. This year Holika Dahan is today, that is Sunday 28th March 21, and the timing to perform is 6:37 pm to 8:56 pm. Now let's discuss some remedies to perform on the holy night for money and prosperity. Holi is one of the biggest festival when we perform some remedies in order to achieve something or get boon or wish fulfillments. It all gets fulfilled. So first we will see according to moon signs what we should offer to Holi tonight. Aries can offer a mango leaf or mango wood. Leos can offer sandalwood. Sagittarius, they will offer a shami wood. Taurus will offer ghee. Virgo can offer any fuel or oil. Capricorn, dry coconut. Gemini, ghee and coconut. Libra, dry chana, dry gram, Bengal gram and ghee. Aquarius, red sandalwood. Cancer, any edible oil we can offer. Pisces, they also can offer any edible oil. Scorpions can offer camphor. Now we will see some of the remedies. Before performing the remedies, we will just chant our wish, and then we will do the remedy to get our wish fulfilled. All the 5 elements are present today while we burn the Holi. Lord Vishnu's presence are there. So if we do with complete pure faith, definitely we will achieve it and we will get our boon. So first, we can take 11 camphors and put in the Holi by keeping our wish in our mind. Second, black paper and alum. A bunch of black paper, you can say, a small bowl or small spoon of black paper and alum together. Take in your hands, take a 4 rounds anti-clockwise on your head and put in the Holi. The another remedy is apply some face pack with wheat flour as uptan on your body. Let it dry and then scrub it out, wrap in the paper and put in the Holi. All the negativity, black magic will go away with this and prosperity come to you. The best remedy I will suggest here, which I also personally do, is recite Shri Suktam next to Shri Yantra for 5 times in the given timing of Holika Dahan in Pradosh Kal. Then another remedy we can perform, that is 108 times we can chant on Makhane Mala the mantra, Lakshmi mantra, that is Om Shrim Namaha. Keep chanting this mantra on Makhane Mala, Om Shrim Namaha 108 times, and then put all the makhanes in a locker in a small potli. Another one is black udad. If anyone is having losing job, a fear of losing job or trying for a new job, they can take black udad, let's say a small bowl, and offer it to Holika. People who are in business, for their business success, they can put green moong with raw rice grains to the Holi. It can be again a small single bowl is enough. One bowl is moong dal or whole moong and a raw rice. And the another thing also, who wants to clear their debts, who already are facing some debts and loans, they can do 1.25 kg jaggery as an offering to the holy. And the last one, I am giving you the remedy, that is, take a water in copper vessel, chant Sundarkand on that vessel in the evening time. While chanting, light 2 lamps, 2 diyas, one with ghee and one with mustard oil. Just a one time you can chant it Sundarkand. After one time you can do it as many as you want, but one time also is enough as a remedy. Also, you can take 21 camphor balls and offer them in the holy with the coconut. So these were the some remedies for our career, our growth, job, business and everything. I believe you all will do it and find success after this. Once you perform, after a couple of days, you can share your feedback on the given link or below the video. So this was enough for today. We will see you again with something new about our ancient science or meditation or any spiritual topic. I pray Lord Vishnu and Holika on this day for all of your success, wishes fulfillment and the blessings on all of us. Shubham Bhavatu.